Hey Glam Dolls, I'm back again with some more goodies I scored from my local Dollar Tree. But wait. Before I get into sharing with you all what I got from my local Dollar Tree, I first want to say to you Glam Dolls that it is October, okay? It is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, hence the pink I've been wearing throughout my videos a lot lately. And if you are a Glam Doll who is of age, who has not yet had her self-breast examinations done, or if you are a mature Glam Doll such as myself who is in line to receive a mammogram, let's go ladies, come on now, get yourselves checked out with your medical doctors, okay? This video is also being made in memory of my family member, a loved one who sadly she lost her life at the age of 32 to breast cancer, and she left behind 4 girls at the time who are now adult women. But it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month and I just wanted to bring awareness to it, okay? So let's get into what I scored. So I went in Dollar Tree. Some of these are repeat buys, like this Hygiene Spray that I purchased before in the past. It used to be in a much taller, skinnier bottle, but now it's in this can right here. I use it more so as a body spray, but it does work okay, and it smells like baby powder fresh, okay? So I got another one of these, and look, it's matching Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And the next thing about the bag, again by the Q-Tex, and this is Moisturizing Rich. Now the difference between these two right here is this one is the Heel Softening Cream, okay? This is the Heel Softening Cream, and this one is the Moisture Rich foot cream. So this one hydrates and softens, and the other one is just Heel for exfoliation, okay? So that's these two right here. And like I said, this one is the Heel Softening and this one is the Moisture Rich, but you can always use them two together to keep your heels extra soft. So got those. Next thing up is I found these contour and foundation brushes. I've seen so many other YouTubers hauling these that I was so excited that when I seen them. I haven't used brushes like this before, so I'm really looking forward to giving these a try, which I will be using in another makeup video that's coming up very, very shortly. So I got these right here. And if you are a Glam Doll who have tried brushes like this before, period, it don't even have to be from Dollar Tree, comment down below, share your thoughts with me about them so I can know what to expect. Next thing up is a silicone facial mask applicator, okay? I did buy one in a dark purple color, which I have used before in a previous video, and this really do work exceptionally well at applying my face mask. It definitely gives me a more even coverage on application when I'm applying my face mask. So I was so happy to see that they had other colors, and I got it. So I'm showing you this one, but you should already know. So last thing up out of this bag is by e.l.f. Cosmetics and some moisturizing lipstick. I got it for the color because it's screaming fall ready. Look at that nice dark burgundy color. So I got that. And then it's time for the best that I saved for last. So I got some artificial nails, and if you're an official Glam Doll, you should already know the addiction when it comes to artificial nails. In fact, I've already shared this artificial nail collection that you're seeing right now. The full video will be available for you down in the description box below, but I at least want to show you these that I got right here. I got 5 different designs, but I got a whole bag full of the 5 different designs. First ones up are these right here. I hope it's not giving you a glare with that design right there. I got that one. Next one up is this design right here. Super attracted to the orange and the black colors that's in it. Thought it was super, super cute. The next one, you cannot go wrong with black and white nails. There's no wrong way of doing black and white nails. So I got that design right there. Then we got the pink and gold. Like I said, pink is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So hey, I got some pink and gold nails, which are super, super cute. And these are some funny colored. I just got these just because. I don't even have a way of describing them. I just got them because it was $1 and because it was in Dollar Tree and because I'm just addicted to artificial nails. So So now I'm really saving the best, the very, very, very best for last. And a lot of my videos when I be talking with you all or whatever it is I'm doing, you glam dolls go, Glam, you never tell us what nails you're wearing on your hand. Well, haha, these nails that I have on in this video are from Dollar Tree. It's these nails right here. I got them from Dollar Tree, of course, and I keep telling you all, stop sleeping the artificial nails that are sold in your local Dollar Tree, because this pack created this fabulous designer quality manicured hand look right here. Seriously, this now did just conclude the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna go and put this stuff away, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.